Hey guys, this is Sanskriti Mishra. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to tell you all my secrets. I'm going to tell you exactly how I click my pictures, what equipments I use, and what do I do to take my pictures by myself, and literally without any struggle.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
So I'm going to tell you about the two equipments that I have invested in that are really cheap and affordable, and they have made my life so easy. Literally, it's a piece of cake for me to now take pictures by myself, and I don't ever have to ask anybody's help while I am clicking pictures, unless there's something like really complicated that I want to do. So I would really encourage you to invest in these two really affordable equipments if you want to take your photography to the next level, and if you're someone like me who takes their pictures by themselves and doesn't really want anybody's help. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I have invested in, and this is something that I don't know I have for the longest time. I think when I bought my DSLR camera, I also bought this along with it, which is like 3 to 4 years ago, and that is tripod. Now tripod is something which is so useful, not just for me for clicking pictures, but for other family members in my house as well. Now that we know that most of our work is online, for example, my mother is a teacher and she has to take online classes, so she uses tripod to place her phone, and my father attends online poem competitions, like he writes poems, so he attends these poem competitions, and he also has some programs going on in his office that are happening online. So it is very comfortable for him to use a tripod to place his phone. So this is not something which is used just by you, but for other family members as well. So while you are taking your pictures or not, I think a tripod is something that is useful for every household, and there are so many budget-friendly options when it comes to tripod. You can really look up to Amazon and find so many cheap and affordable options. So yeah, that is the first thing that you need to invest in if you want to take your photography level to the next level. One great advantage of tripod is that you can really click your pictures anywhere, wherever there is great light source coming. You want to take your picture on the terrace or in your backyard, you can take your tripod anywhere to click pictures, which is a very convenient and flexible way, because you don't want to limit yourself to just 1 or 2 locations where you can really find something where you can place your phone on. So yeah, that is a great advantage of tripod. The second equipment is a remote control. So now, whether you are taking your pictures using your phone or your camera, a remote control is a must-have. You cannot just rely on a self-timer, because a self-timer allows you to click one picture at a time. So you have to keep coming and going again and again to activate the self-timer. Whereas when you're using a remote control, it becomes very easy for you to take multiple pictures at the same time. And especially for DSLR cameras, I have seen that when I used self-timer with the DSLR, it doesn't used to keep me in focus. I don't know what happens, maybe because when I'm setting the self-timer, I am behind the camera, so it focuses on whatever is in front of the camera at that time. When I set the timer and I come and sit in front of the camera, it really doesn't focus me, and that was a big issue, because of which I was not able to use my camera to click pictures for the longest time, till I discovered this remote. And it is a very convenient thing, because now I can trigger the shutter of the camera sitting in front of it, so that I'm in focus every time. So it is a really life-changing thing for me, and it is something that has now allowed me to use my camera to take my pictures myself. So yeah, this is something you should really invest in, and again it is very cheap and affordable. You can find on Amazon. The one I'm using for my Nikon camera is from the brand Amazon Basics. For your mobile phones, you find really cheap Bluetooth camera remote options. So yeah, these are the two things that I use to click my pictures by myself anywhere I want. The third bonus tip, if you want to take from me, is that invest in a good backdrop, like a plain and simple backdrop. I have bought this double bed sheet of light brown beige type color from Amazon, and you can find really cheap options on Flipkart as well. So what a plain backdrop allows you is that sometimes it happens that you have great light coming, but the background is very shitty, very trash, so you want to hide the background, and that is why you want to use something plain and of a solid color without any prints and all. Another benefit of using a plain backdrop is that it helps to focus on the subject, so you are the attention of the picture. And you can also use different props to really create a beautiful setup for your photo shoot. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to click the like button if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss another update. Bye bye.